See how many more loans we can get down today.
I said I'm living my best life. I said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons.
Alright, we're back. Gotta use Skype out here since we in a whole nother country. $72.69. Alright. Thank you. Alright, so I just paid the accrued, how you say that? What is it? Accrued interest on my loans, unsubsidized loans, because the government is paying the interest on the subsidized loans when you're in forbearance. You know what I'm saying? So use that wisely when you get on that forbearance. Only pay the interest on the unsubsidized. Now we're about to call her bank, do the same thing. So the forbearance is already working, it's already good, or do we have to wait for it to be approved?
No, that's approved already.
Oh, okay. Wow, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So we just beat the system, came up. We're using the system the right way. It's crazy. So we just got back on forbearance because she has a year and 9 months left of forbearance that she can use. Meaning you can apply for it and then you just don't have to make any payments.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And
so,
we already know we're gonna be done with this joint next year.
Before that,
Yeah,
so
before that.
oh shit.
Yeah, we can pay yours.
That's one of my loans.
That's the next one.
Oh, 26.74. Son, fuck with
And
me.
yours didn't go up that much from not paying the interest. I'm getting excited to let
This is what we about to do, y'all. We about to pay. So last time we paid our loans off, we paid three of your loans off.
3.5.
3.5. So three loans paid in full. You want to show that joint? Paid in full. And one loan, like half of one of the other loans. See them
Paid in
joints?
full.
Paid in full, baby. 1, 2, 3. We could pay the rest of her loan off, right? But here go a trick that we learned from our financial advisor. Since it's one of her oldest loans, you want to keep that loan active because
It's my oldest credit line history.
So it looks good, it keeps your score up higher. So we're gonna bring that drink down to like $1. And then pay your next loan, number 5, which is $5,500. And then pay my loan, which is number 6, that's $26.74. Hope y'all can see this, but pretty much we got our loans in order, numerical order, which one to pay off next according to the interest rate and the amount of the loan. Size your life. And then when we debt free, woo-hoo-wee. You wanna call? Yeah, about to see her face light up.
Hello.
Thank you for calling Fed Loan Servicing. My name is April.
I want to leave $1, so I want to pay $55.42.49. And there's no way that dollar's gonna disappear, right? It's just gonna get interest.
No, I ain't going nowhere.
All right. How fast does the interest grow on that $1?
It grows each day. $5,543.49.
Yes. Swear every time you try and make that smart payment.
It's not gonna let me do it over there, so I gotta go to the other screen. Okay, so I'm gonna just go.
Yeah, we hip. We're working.
Okay, just another moment. Okay, off. Alright.
I told you her face was gonna light up, yo. She fucking let's go. It's my time. Our money is our money, you know what I'm saying? My money's her money is my money, you know what I'm saying? We just spend all that money, you know, it's all the same. But when it's like personally your loans, like,
I know what you mean. That's why I'm so happy for you.
I've been waiting. I would like to pay off one of my loans.
Thank you. Fantastic. Is that going to be with a check? And once I send this payment through for $2,686.19 on loan 6 only to pay it in full, I cannot retract or cancel it. Do I have your permission to send it through? just went through. Payment through for $251 on loan 5 only. I cannot retract or cancel it. Do I have your permission to send it through?
She already know your boy came correct. She was like, very good.
How you feel, boo?
I feel good. I can't wait to see that paid in full on that one joint. Just made the payments. Mine came out already from the car, waiting on leads now. Hers is $5,500 and $2,800. It was just what?
It was just like 35,000.
Yeah, it's June 5th, 2018. Still on track for January 2020.
Down now. We'll be down to
We
now.
just paid, oh. $55,000. 55,004.
Wow. It's real, man.
Man, we have decided why not be open and transparent with you guys about our life and what we do on a day-to-day basis. A lot of people see the glory but don't know the story. They say you lucky or this and this and that, but they don't know what you had to put in to get to where you gotta go. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. If you like this video and our channel, please hit that thumbs up, turn that bell on.
If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. We will get back to you. Peace and love.
I said I'm living my best life. I said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like.
I'm like Big Pop mixed with Tupac. I'm like Machiavelli.